Buongiorno, my name is Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today we are in Chianti and I decided to stop in Montespertoli, which is a cute hilltop town, to have breakfast. So follow me. This is my favorite bar in Montespertoli, so I'm gonna go have breakfast and be right back. I finally got my coffee. We're in Piazza del Popolo, where they have a market every Tuesday, but since it's such a beautiful day, let's go for a walk. It's such a beautiful day that I could not show you this street. Questa è la strada del vino, che è una delle tante strade che porta nel Chianti. La Toscana è rinomata, in particolare il Chianti, per le sue sagre, la sagra del vino, la sagra del bombolone, la sagra del tortello. But now, let's go and see the property. Here we are at the villa near San Casciano. Let's go take a look.
I love the energy of this space. As soon as you enter, the first thing you see is this winter garden that really gives warmth to the inside. And apparently it's a common theme. Let's go and see. Did you see those amazing ceilings? They are vaulted terracotta ceilings, but also the frescoes and the scenery look like a window on the outside. It's beautiful. Look at this tree. I could almost pluck an orange from this tree. I really like what they did to bring light into each section of the villa through these courtyards that then became winter gardens. Okay, this is amazing. It must have been the original kitchen. It's beautiful and it really embodies the true Tuscan style, or what one would think when they think a Tuscan villa. It's breathtaking. I mean, look at this table. It's massive and it really gives you the idea of how big the room actually is. And the fireplace. Just imagine cooking and just having dinner in a room like this. Breathtaking. Look at the sink. This is a true Tuscan sink, all made of stone. This is craftsmanship at its purest. Beautiful. La 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 la. Oh, sorry, got distracted. So, can you hear the acoustic of this room? It's incredible. The space is perfect for chord instrument concerts. Can you just hear how the sound is perfectly carried through the room? I would imagine the shape of the windows has something to do with it. It looks like they actually had a concert here not too long ago. We are on the first floor, and I love how the floral theme continues also on this upper floor. It feels as if we are in a continuous garden, not inside a building. It's nice. Here we are, we're on the last floor. I'm really out of shape. We're on the last floor of the villa, and I love the romantic feel of this part of the house. It reminds me of a fairy tale, like Cinderella's bedroom. The theme here is beautiful. Look at the design of the wooden floors and ceilings. That gives warmth and a certain coziness to this room.
Just like every respected Tuscan villa, also this one has a private chapel. Let's go take a look. It's not uncommon for noble families to have a chapel within the property. This is a perfect spot to gather your thoughts and meditate. If you're having a rough day, just kind of relax. Even for people that don't
observe, you can really feel the power of this place.
Here are the Italian style gardens. Unfortunately, it's not the best season for them, but the garden's not finished here and there's so much more to see. Come with me. Look at the watchdogs. It feels like you're entering, ouch, a protected space. Sorry about that. I wasn't expecting it to be a rose. So this is a gazebo. It's perfect for parties. Imagine yourselves in this space. What would you do with it? Let us know in the comments. We're in the olive grove of the property. It has around 400 trees, but I want to tell you a personal story. When I was a kid and I just arrived from Canada, I remember I saw my first olive tree and it had these beautiful juicy olives on it, and I picked it and ate it. Thinking it would be delicious, and instead it was super bitter and terrible. I never repeated that ever again. That's all for today. If you enjoyed yourself and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Now I'm going to enjoy a nice glass of Chianti. Ciao!